Hello, in this short video, I will show you how to fix the EPS preview in macOS. As you can see in recent updates to macOS, you cannot preview the EPS files in the Finder. You can open the individual files in programs like Illustrator, but it makes finding the files you need from stock or graphic libraries very difficult. So to fix this, in the Finder, select Go, and then click on Go to Folder. From there, you want to enter /system/library/QuickLook. From that folder, you want to find the file named Illustrator.qlgenerator. Copy and paste the file to your desktop. Right-click or Control-click the file and select Show Package Contents. In the Contents folder, you will find the Info.plist file. Right or Control-click the file and select Text Edit or the text editor of your choice. From there, you want to find the string text that says com.adobe.illustrator.ai-image. Under that text with the same indentation, you want to enter the following text: string com.adobe.encapsulated-postscript string. The text is in the description box, so you can just copy and paste. Save the file. Now you want to go to the Finder again and select Go to Folder. From there, you want to enter /library/QuickLook. This is a different location than the one before. You cannot override the files in the System QuickLook folder. This QuickLook folder probably has no files in it. Copy and paste your updated QuickLook file into here. You will be prompted to enter your system name and password, and with that you are done, and you should be able to view the files in the Finder now. Hope that helps. Have a pleasant day.